Welcome to Science is Curiosity. With just one simple click, kindly subscribe to our channel for more updates. With increase in heat waves rocking several counties, Science is Curiosity has finally got answers and what holds for the future. It's not enough that our planet must deal with climate change and natural disasters like tsunamis and hurricanes. Right now, we have a bigger problem I deal with: sunstorm. Of recent, the sun emits gaseous material flowing from a southern hole in the sun's atmosphere. This event causes geomagnetic storms that is moving towards Earth and will strike the planet soon. The sun contains holes in its outermost atmosphere. The solar material that escapes this part of the sun's atmosphere travels more than 1,000,000 miles per hour. This breakneck speed allows the material to reach us. Although the sunstorm flying at us sounds troublesome based on the amount of speed reported, the Earth is going to be able to absorb the solar material that is ejected from the sun's atmosphere. The magnetic pull that the Earth experiences will absorb the material with only some disturbance of electrons at our poles. The winds from these storms have reached the Earth before, and it causes some equipment to go a little crazy. Radio waves, low-frequency GPS devices, and minor satellite malfunctions will occur when the storm hits, but it does not sound as though it will cause some hugely harmful damage to the planet. A bonus to the storm hitting Earth is that it causes some light shows. The northern lights, for instance, are caused by this solar material colliding with our planet. The sunstorm is described as high-speed solar winds, which doesn't make the occurrence sound any less frightening. However, scientists have determined that this particular storm is of the weaker variety. We won't have much to worry about the planet being affected by winds coming at us at 1,000,000 miles per hour. There have been instances where more extreme geomagnetic storms have struck Earth. If that were to happen this time, it would send satellites crashing into the planet. However, this storm is classified as G1, which sounds as mellow as it gets. Back in February of this year, a powerful geomagnetic sunstorm struck our space, leaving around 40 satellites plummeting towards the planet. Starlink satellites were the main ones affected by this storm. A rocket from Elon Musk's SpaceX was carrying around 49 satellites, only to have most of those satellites destroyed a day later. The solar winds can crash into the planet and destroy plenty of computing systems, depending on how severe it is. Although a sunstorm can be a damaging occurrence, scientists are usually on top of things in terms of measuring what is going to strike the planet. Thankfully, apart from some minor system malfunctions, we are not in any imminent danger. This storm comes as the sun ramps up into its most active phase of its roughly 11-year-long solar cycle. Astronomers have known since 1775 that solar activity rises and falls in cycles, but recently, the sun has been more active than expected, with nearly double the sunspot appearances predicted by NOAA. Scientists anticipate that the sun's activity will steadily climb for the next few years, reaching an overall maximum in 2025 before decreasing again. Scientists think the largest solar storm ever witnessed during contemporary history was the 1859 Carrington event, which released roughly the same energy as 10 billion 1-megaton atomic bombs. After slamming into Earth, the powerful stream of solar particles fried telegraph systems all over the world and caused auroras brighter than the light of the full moon to appear as far south as the Caribbean. If a similar event were to happen today, scientists warn, it would cause trillions of dollars in damage and trigger widespread blackouts, much like the 1989 solar storm that released a billion-ton plume of gas and caused a blackout across the entire Canadian province of Quebec, NASA reported. Kindly subscribe for more updates.